To you fake Al-Qaeda Christian extremists who call this a baby, I'd like to see you hold one of these in your arms and give it a little kiss. In fact, I'm looking for someone to make me an RC fetus. I will use the remote control when those Al-Qaeda Christians are walking around their house. One of these will squirm out from under the counter and we'll watch and laugh as they beat them down with brooms and baseball bats. And if something like this was crawling around my house, I know I'd start setting out a lot of rat traps, that's for sure. Now, this is pretty bad coming from someone who does have a problem with abortion when the baby's 8 months old, 9 months old, and is clearly a human inside there. Maybe the next step for these losers who can't get laid is to say that life begins at sperm and it's going to be a felony not to have sex with them tonight. You must be mentally ill. These look like something more out of Predator, an alien monster. Quick question for Al-Qaeda: since these are genetically identical when they're developing to other animal fetuses, does that mean it's going to be illegal to destroy a frog embryo? Can we get charged for murder with that too? Because that's how it is, and they're identical until certain genetic switches are made. I guess killing a frog embryo is equal to killing a human, huh? This is real bad coming from me because, you know, I'm not a big feminist by some people's measure. I take a big issue with polygamy, hooking up on Tinder, and making babies in a Waffle House bathroom. I take it as something bad that's lumped into feminism. And I generally believe that women already have the choice who they have sex with and not. But you're truly anti-Christian when your laws don't even have any exceptions for rape and incest in there. You're really mentally ill. If you ever knew a woman who had a miscarriage, you will know that they are really psychologically destroyed by that happening. It's absolutely disgusting and anti-Christian that people are getting charged with murder for having a miscarriage. This is coming from someone pro-marriage, pro-family. In fact, I even thought about, what if I met my crush AOC and she was like, my freaking crotches, I think this Tinder guy last night gave me VD. I'd have to duck out. Let's talk about the reason your masters have programmed you like this as sheeple. It's because those rich Republican business owners, who are the people you really worship, make more money when we have more babies. That increases the GDP and gives them more slaves. And that is the reason you're programmed to think that this is a human.